In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product images in Ecwid. Whether you're looking to freshen up your online store or simply organize your product showcase for a better browsing experience, changing product images can make a significant difference. Stick around and I'll guide you through this process, ensuring that your store looks its absolute best. First up, let's navigate to the Ecwid control panel. This is your starting point for managing your online store. Accessing the control panel is straightforward. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Ecwid website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. The reset option is just a click away. Once you're logged into the Ecwid control panel, your next step is to head over to the catalog section. You'll find it conveniently listed in the side menu. Clicking on the catalog will present you with a list of all the products you have currently available in your store. It's like stepping into a digital version of your inventory room, granting you access to every item you have for sale. Now, it's time to zero in on the product you wish to edit and give a new image. Scroll through your product listings until you find the item you want to update. When you've located it, click on the Edit Product button. This takes you into the product editor where you have the freedom to update various details about each item, most importantly in this case the images. Now, with the product editor open, you can manage the images associated with that product. You can drag images to rearrange their order, ensuring that your preferred image appears first. This is especially helpful if you want to highlight a particular feature of a product. Additionally, if there are any images that are no longer relevant or have become outdated, you can click the X next to them to remove them from your listing. Keep in mind that having high quality, relevant images is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Make sure you choose images that accurately represent your products and are visually appealing. If you're uploading new images, ensure they meet Ecwid's recommended size guidelines to maintain a professional look. Once you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to save your updates. This will ensure your product page reflects your changes in real time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change product images in Ecwid. Remember, a well-curated catalog not only enhances the appearance of your store, but also can significantly impact customer experience and conversions.